Alright, so hi guys. I'm still recovering from my what's that called again? Cold sore. So I'm just going to moisturize with my Vaseline. Yeah, I'm just going to moisturize with my Vaseline, and then I'm just going to jump right into it. This is what the package comes like. I mean, it's full to the brim, but that's because I packed it with the stuff. The jars came packaged separately. So this is the roller, which you'll be getting into shortly. So now this is the container that you should sanitize your roller with before and after you use it. This is the beauty elixir that you can spray at any time. It says this is the vitamin C Banish oil, and this is what you apply after you do the roller. And this is actually charcoal, but it's in its loose form, so you can add water to it and make a mask, or probably honey or whatever else you can add, but I'm just gonna stick to water because water is a very nice ingredient, it's everywhere. Then this is the Banish pumpkin seed mask. I love this mask so much. I just feel like it's helping with everything. So this is the roller, and as you can see, it moves very, very smoothly. And I hope you guys are seeing the needles. Are you seeing that? Those are actually needles. So what you're doing, you're essentially creating like micro like, I don't want to call it cut because that sounds really aggressive, but you're creating micro cuts on your skin, and what that will do, it will prompt the skin to actually heal itself. So like when you get a cut and then it starts to clot and stuff and heal itself, that's the exact thing here. But because they're so small, it's not as aggressive, and the healing process is a little bit smooth, and when it heals, it brings new skin in. I hope that makes sense to you guys. So I have already started using it, and my forehead is definitely the most sensitive part of my face. I've used this before, I've used this before years ago. I bought it with my own money. This, of course, was sent to me from Banish themselves. Thank you so much for sending me this to review, and I'm just hoping, you guys, that it actually works. Manala, I'm really hoping it works. But I've been using the vitamin C elixir, the one that comes. I'm gonna use it shortly. I've been using it every single day, and it says for optimal results, use it every single day, and that's what I've been doing. And I'm telling you, how my skin looks now just after a week of using it is not how it looks. My forehead almost looks clear, and I have to be wondering if I want it to work so badly, if I just feel like it's working. But when I film another video, you guys will actually see my skin, because for this kit, for the banisher that I'm using, the roller, you should not use it over 3 to 4 times, and that is just to help to prevent bacteria. And you should not use the banisher if you have active acne meaning if you can actually pop the pimple. You should not use it if you can actually over a pimple that you can actually pop. Why? Because when the needle pierces it, it's going to then redistribute that bacteria into the micro tears that you're causing. I don't want to call it micro tears. Let me say micro holes, like tiny holes all over your face. Yeah, so as I say, what this does, it forces the skin to create new collagen and elastin, is what the pamphlet is saying here. And I want you guys to get as full of a review as possible. You must use an SPF when you're going into the sun, and don't use it over cuts as well. And you should keep the Banish in rotted. The shelf life of the Banish oil is 6 months from the ship date, so keep that in mind. And when you purchase the Banish products as well, you get this is the pamphlet that I'm reading from for you guys. So this is my alcohol, and I'm sanitizing it, and this is the Banish oil that I use in and out of season. I use it every single day, and it is the vitamin C oil. So the vitamin C, it actually helps with scarring. So the vitamin C oil is perfect. Now after you've done your banisher, you cannot rub it into your skin. You have to pat it into your skin, because what is happening is that you don't want to agitate the skin, because you already create the micro tiny holes. So if you go rub it now, it will aggravate it. So you pat it into the skin. But when I'm applying the oil separately, I don't pat it into my skin, I actually rub it into my skin like I apply it normally. So this is the end of the video. And I can truly say that I'm seeing results already after a week. I can't wait to come back to you guys and show you what my skin looks like. This is the before, and I can't wait to show you guys my after. I'm excited. I just love how clean my skin is looking. And just a side note, to wash my face, I've been using a soap, and it's called I've been using a papaya soap because I hear that papaya soaps are good for scars as well. So this is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it was informative enough for you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Banish, for sending me this to review. I'm so excited, you guys. Oh my gosh, and suppose it works. Like, I can go everywhere on my body because I have back acne, so I can probably use it around there as well. I'm really excited. I'm excited about this journey. As I said, I've used Banish before, and in my other review, I'll show you what the old Banish kit looks like because I used it before, as I said. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Goodbye, guys.